Beauties, and welcome to my IGTV channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Kylie Cosmetics holiday collection, specifically this eyeshadow palette, Chill Baby. With this collection in particular, I thought it was so pretty that I needed like everything. I tried to like limit myself with things I wanted to get so I wouldn't buy everything, but I caved and I blacked out on launch day and I bought like everything from the collection. I was like, I'm not getting the bundle. 5 minutes later, I have like 4 separate orders, so I still have some stuff coming in. If you guys want to see me use the other products from the collection, then let me know down in the comments, and I will totally film that for you guys. I hope you're loving this look and you're ready to see this tutorial, and if you are, be sure you like this video. Don't forget to follow me here on IG at Victorialyn, and let's get into it. So this is the Chill Baby eyeshadow palette, and I am loving the packaging. I love the soft, powdery baby blue. It's like a winter wonderland. Baby blue is like my favorite color. I love this shade. The glitter on the front of the palette is super pretty, and these are the shades inside. I feel like the shades are really wearable, and they're very soft and just really pretty easy to wear shades. And just so you guys know the price on this one, the Chill Baby Pressed Powder Palette is $44. The first shade that I'm going to be picking up is this one right here called Make Magic. This is a really pretty like neutral color. I really like that they have that in here for like the crease. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that right into my crease. I'm using a really fluffy brush to blend that in. And I'm gonna bring that color out because I'm thinking I wanna do like a cut crease today, so I'm just gonna like wing it a little bit. So I'm gonna pick up this shade here called Spirit, and it's the dark brown in the palette. I'm gonna pick this color up, and I'm just gonna start building up the crease because I wanna do a cut crease for this look, so I want the crease to be really dark, and I'm keeping that really low in the crease. And also just following the shape and kind of winging it out. And I just went in and added the shade Wrap It Up into the upper crease just to add a little bit more color. And I popped in Cuddle Season on the brow bone just to brighten everything up and smooth and blend everything out. This is a really good blending color because it's so light and matte. I'm going to be taking a full coverage concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out my crease so we can apply some more colors on the lid. And I'm cutting out the crease using a full coverage concealer, and this really does work amazing for cut creases. The concealer just cleans everything up so much and makes everything look really sharp. Even if you're a little messy with your blending, concealer just changes everything. So I'm gonna pick up the shade Cold Hearted, and I'm gonna apply that onto the lid. This is such a pretty like pink rose gold color. I'm just gonna bring that right into the crease. I'm next going to grab the shade Pray for Snow, and I'm going to be using that on my outer corner, and I'm just going to connect that into the cut crease to close it off, and I also want to bring that down on my lower lash line. I'm mixing in a little bit of the shade Wrap It Up just to blend out the lower lash line a little bit further, and then using Jingle Baby to highlight the eyes. So I'm just going to place this on the center of the lid and in the inner corners of the eye. And I'm also going to add Jingle Baby to my brow bone. And now I'm going to be popping a nude eyeliner into my waterline just because we're working with a lot of rose golds. I want to keep everything really light. I feel like for a softer look, I always love using eyeshadow as a liner. So I'm going to be using the shade Hello Winter, and I'm just going to go ahead and wing out both of my eyes. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to pop on some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. So now I'm applying the Winter Kissed blush, and this is such a pretty pink color. It has a little Kylie drips on the pan, and I just love the color. I think it's super pretty. It kind of reminds me of like when you're outside and you get a little bit pink. I feel like it gives you that natural flush. It's very pretty, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the cheeks. Here you can see what it looks like with it and without it. It almost like lifts up when you apply blush. I think it's super pretty. I like it on my skin tone. I'm like a light, I have on kind of like a tan foundation today, so I feel like it looks really, really good on me, and I like it. I wasn't expecting it because it was so pink, but I think it's really cute. With the pink eyeshadows, I feel like it looks really good. And the blush retails for $18. I also wanted to mention the packaging feels really good. This isn't cardboard, this is actual packaging, so it's really firm, and I really liked it. So overall, loving the eyeshadow, loving the blush. So my highlighter did not come in yet, and neither did my powder. So I'm just gonna take like any champagne colored highlighter, and I'm just gonna go over the blush a little bit with it. And now we're gonna move on to lips, which I'm most excited about because this lip collection for this holiday collection is just so pretty. So I have this one in, and I'm super excited to try it out because there are metals in here and there's mattes. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's hard to choose because they're all really pretty. So here's what the box looks like. It's super pretty with all the snowflakes on it. Honestly, I want to keep it in this box because it's so pretty, but I'm probably not going to. I'm first going to go in with the shade Slay My Name, and I'm just going to fill in my whole lips with this color. Also, the tube is super cute. It's frosted, and it has the blue drips on it for the holiday collection. Obsessed. And now I'm gonna go in the center of my lips with the shade Dream On, and this is another metal. Alright you guys, this is the final look using the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday Collection. And I have to say, I really loved everything, but the lip set just stole my heart. I am so in love with these metallic lipsticks. I think they're so beautiful, and they're like this gorgeous like rose gold cranberry color scheme with the lip set, but also the eyeshadow palette. I feel like a lot of the colors were really like kind of rose gold and pinky and metallic, and I'm in love. I think everything was really beautiful. And out of all of Kylie's collections she came out with this year, I really loved this one out of all of them, and I did buy majority of every collection she came out with. I bought at least one thing from each, so I can definitely speak on that, and this one's really pretty. So if you guys love this video, don't forget to like it and follow me here on IG at Victorialyn so you don't miss any of my new IGTV videos I'll be posting here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.